Yeah. One other way of thinking about this is, are you a crew on someone else's ship? Or are you building, captaining, owning your own ship? And to me, this is entrepreneurship. Mm-hmm. So your friend who's an artist might not consider herself an entrepreneur, but she is captaining her own ship.
Yep.
She is responsible for this ship making money. She's responsible for putting work out, for working as much as she wants, all that kind of stuff. If you are a lawyer, if you're a doctor, if you're an accountant, generally, unless it's your own business, you're working as a crew member on someone else's ship. Mm-hmm. It's totally fine being a crew member on someone else's ship, like we talked about, if you enjoy it and you've got informed consent about what the alternative path is like. Mm-hmm. But side hustle is when you're trying to build both of these at the same time. You're trying to maintain being a crew member on someone else's ship to help them get rich so that you can earn salary, while trying to build your own dream. And then at a certain point, you realize that actually the career is maybe holding you back. Maybe you want to go full-time on your own dream, and now you're captaining your own ship. Mm-hmm. And so to me, this is the definition of like a business owner or an entrepreneur. Mm-hmm.